Welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Snapdrop between my PC and my phone. So first thing is of course go to snapdrop.net. Now from here, this will be their homepage. Right away, it will ask you to upload a file. So just simply select upload file over here and click on it and it will open up the folder. So just simply select a file. So I will be using our logo just for an example. Then click on open over here. And after that, it will upload your file. So from here, just simply wait for it to be uploaded. After that, guys, you should be able to see here this share icon. So just simply select share over here. And now here, you should be able to see this link over here. So just simply click copy link over here. And after that, just simply send it to any messaging platform. It can be Messenger, Telegram, or you can send it via email over here. Now, guys, once you have a copy of the link into your phone, of course, just simply open it on a web browser, or you can copy it and open any web browser manually, and you could just simply paste it over here. Now, from here, you should be able to download it. As you can see, you should be able to see the download icon at the top over here beside the copy link. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.